Hey guys, good morning from Chennai. I am ready for my meet and greet. I just woke up. I had such a nice sleep. I think I was running on no sleep for 24 hours yesterday. And yeah, I had a really nice sleep. I had a really good breakfast. I had some good coffee, and now I just got ready. I am about to leave now. It's 11:30. My meet and greet starts at 12, so the mall is just a walking distance away. I'm at Phoenix and the meet and greet is happening in Palladium. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to quickly take you guys through my outfit of the day. So this is what I'm wearing. It's a jumpsuit. I need to tie this knot properly. It's a jumpsuit from Stalk by Love. And I'm wearing this blue shoes from Inc. 5. And yeah, that's it. And I also put on these earrings. They're from Forever 21. They're almost tarnishing, but I really like the design. And for makeup, I'm literally wearing the same thing that I've been wearing. I put up a tutorial yesterday. You guys can go watch that. I forgot my sunglasses. It's so bright, but I know a lot of you are going to ask what I have on my lips. It's a shade from Smashbox. It's their always on liquid lipstick in Throwback Jam. Also, quickly going to mention that this comes with a pocket, and I love dresses or jumpsuits with pockets. Yeah, so that's it. I am going to head. So I made it to the meet and greet, and here is everybody. Hi! So I have someone here virtually meeting me through the phone.
I follow you, everywhere. Like YouTube, Instagram, each and everywhere I follow. I'm wearing my introduction.
So Namrata has gotten me to Papa Roti. I've never been to Papa Roti before, and she wants to make me try these buns. Oh my god, they look so nice. Should we try the signature bun?
I think you should.
I just got done and I checked out. I am heading back to Bombay today. Yeah, so I just quickly changed into a much more comfier outfit for me to travel in, and just 20 minutes away from the airport. And I just wanted to quickly say thank you to everybody that came today to meet me, talking to you guys about your problems and discussing like all things makeup. And I am definitely coming back to Chennai. This has been so wonderful. So yeah, thank you to each and every one of you who's made an effort to like come out of your house and come and meet me. I also wanted to quickly say thank you to everyone that came up and said hi randomly at the mall as well. I met quite a lot of you in Zara actually. So yeah, that's everything. I am gonna wrap up the vlog here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.